In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ElevenLabs Agent for Calls. We'll walk through creating a call-ready voice agent using a proven template so you can get up and running quickly and confidently. Start on the ElevenLabs Agents page. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your workspace. At the top left, open the 11 Agents selector to make sure you're in the right workspace or view. This keeps your new agent organized in the correct place. Next, create a new agent by selecting the plus icon. For a fast setup, choose Browse Templates. Templates give you a solid foundation with recommended settings, so you don't have to start from scratch. From the template library, pick Customer Support. This option is tailored for inbound or outbound help calls, including greeting callers, answering common questions, and handing off when needed. Confirm your choice by clicking Use Template. You'll now name your agent. Choose a clear descriptive name that teammates will recognize later. Then define the main goal. This is the single sentence that guides your agent's behavior on calls, for example. What problems it should solve and when it should escalate. Keep it concise, outcome-focused, and aligned with the type of calls you expect. When that looks good, continue. You'll see an option to connect tools. This is where the agent can tap into your system's think help desks, CRMs, calendars, or knowledge bases to provide accurate answers on calls. You may be prompted for credentials or keys. Enter them only in the secure fields provided by the platform, never in notes or prompts, and avoid showing sensitive details on screen. If you're just exploring or don't have those details handy, it's perfectly fine to skip this part for now. To finish the initial setup, select Skip and Create Agent. ElevenLabs will create your agent with the template defaults and your custom name and goal. From here, you can test calls, refine instructions, and return to the tool connections whenever you're ready to unlock deeper functionality. That's it. You've set up an ElevenLabs agent for calls quickly and cleanly.